Hello and welcome to today's video. Lesson number 5 under liability policies is on professional liability or professional indemnity insurance policy. Professional liability insurance, also known as professional indemnity insurance, is a type of insurance policy that provides protection to professionals from legal claims made against them by clients or third parties. It provides liability coverage to professionals against claims that may arise as a result of errors, omissions, misrepresentation, or negligent advice provided in the course and scope of their professional services or malpractice. This type of insurance policy is typically purchased by professionals who provide advice, expertise, or professional services to clients. Examples include doctors, insurance brokers, lawyers, accountants, architects, engineers, and consultants. Professional, an occupation or job that needs special knowledge, e.g. law, engineering, medicine, teaching, etc. Professionals have the following characteristics. 1. Have gone through a specialized training. 2. Require qualifications required to practice work. 3. Are highly educated. 4. Provide service at a fee. 5. Regulated by a governing body, either a professional association or by law. 6. Have clear professional standards. 7. Self-employed activity and organized incorporation. The purpose of professional liability insurance is to cover the costs associated with defending against legal claims, including court costs, settlement fees, and damages awarded to the claimant. The policy may also cover the costs of hiring expert witnesses or other professionals to assist with the defense. The specific terms and coverage of a professional liability insurance policy may vary depending on the profession and the insurance provider. It is important for professionals to carefully review and understand the terms of their policy before purchasing or renewing it. Overall, professional liability insurance provides a valuable layer of protection for professionals who may face legal claims as a result of their work. How to set up professional indemnity cover. If you're a professional who needs professional indemnity cover, here are some general steps to follow to set it up. 1. Assess your needs. Determine the level of coverage you need by evaluating your profession, potential risks, and your past work experiences. 2. Choose a provider. Research and compare insurance providers that offer professional indemnity cover. Look at their coverage options, policy terms and conditions, customer reviews, and rates. 3. Request a quote. Contact the insurance provider and request a quote for the coverage you need. Provide all necessary information about your business or profession, including your work history, types of services provided, and any potential risks. 3. Review and customize the policy. Carefully review the policy terms and conditions to ensure they meet your needs. Work with the provider to customize your policy to ensure you're covered for any specific risks or exposures. 4. Pay for the coverage. Once you're satisfied with the policy terms and conditions, you'll need to pay for the coverage. Most providers offer flexible payment options, such as monthly or annual payments. 5. Keep records. Keep records of all communication and documents related to your professional indemnity coverage, including the policy, payments, and any claims made. It's important to note that professional indemnity cover can be complex, so it's always best to seek professional advice to ensure you have the right level of coverage for your specific needs. Benefits of having professional indemnity cover. There are several benefits to having professional indemnity cover, including 1. Protection against legal claims. The primary benefit of professional indemnity cover is that it provides protection against legal claims made against you by clients or third parties. If you're sued for professional negligence, errors, or omissions, the policy will cover the costs associated with defending the claim, including legal fees and damages. 2. Peace of mind. Knowing that you're covered for any potential legal claims can give you peace of mind and allow you to focus on your work without worrying about the financial consequences of a lawsuit. 3. Professional credibility. Having professional indemnity cover can enhance your credibility and reputation in your industry. Clients may be more likely to choose you as their provider if they know you're insured and can provide them with added protection. 4. Competitive advantage. Professional indemnity cover can give you a competitive advantage over other professionals who do not have the same level of coverage. Clients may prefer to work with someone who has insurance coverage in case of any issues. 5. Compliance with industry regulations. Many professions require professional indemnity cover as a mandatory requirement for licensing or certification. Having this coverage can help you comply with industry regulations and avoid any penalties or fines. 6. Protection for employees. If you have employees, PI insurance can also provide protection for them in the event of legal claims related to their work for your business. 7. Flexible coverage options. PI insurance policies can be customized to meet the specific needs of your profession, including coverage limits, deductibles, and exclusions. Overall, having professional indemnity cover provides peace of mind and financial protection for professionals who may face legal claims. It can also enhance your professional credibility and give you a competitive advantage in your industry. The policy terms under a professional indemnity policy can vary depending on the provider and the profession being covered. However, here are some common policy terms that may be included in a professional indemnity policy. 1. Retroactive coverage. This coverage provides protection for claims arising from work done before the policy was purchased, but only if the policyholder was unaware of the potential claim at the time of purchase. 2. Aggregate limit. This is the maximum amount the policy will pay out for all claims made during the policy period. 3. Claims made policy. This type of policy only covers claims that are made during the policy period, regardless of when the work was performed. It's important to maintain continuous coverage to ensure protection for past work. 4. Occurrence-based policy. This type of policy covers claims that arise from work performed during the policy period, regardless of when the claim is made. 5. Exclusions. These are specific types of claims or circumstances that are not covered by the policy. Exclusions can vary widely depending on the profession and the policy provider. 6. Deductible. This is the amount the policyholder must pay out of pocket before the policy will cover the remaining costs of a claim. 7. Consent to settle. This provision requires the policyholder's consent before the insurance provider can settle a claim. 8. Extended reporting period. Also known as a tail policy, this provides coverage for claims made after the policy has expired or been canceled, but only for work performed during the policy period. 9. Runoff coverage. Coverage that extends beyond the policy period for claims that arise from work performed during the policy period. 10. Subrogation. The right of the insurance provider to pursue legal action against a third party responsible for a claim paid under the policy. It's important to carefully review and understand all policy terms and conditions before purchasing a professional indemnity policy to ensure that you have the right level of coverage for your needs. In summary, professional indemnity, PI, insurance provides protection to professionals from legal claims made against them by clients or third parties. It covers the costs associated with defending against legal claims, including court costs, settlement fees, and damages awarded to the claimant. PI insurance provides several benefits, including protection against legal claims, peace of mind, enhanced credibility, compliance with industry regulations, protection for employees, and flexible coverage options. The policy terms under a professional indemnity policy can vary, but common terms include coverage limits, deductibles, retroactive coverage, exclusions, claims-made policies, occurrence-based policies, runoff coverage, and subrogation. Professionals should carefully review and understand the specific policy terms and conditions before purchasing or renewing PI coverage and seek professional advice to ensure they have the right coverage for their needs. End of PI lesson.